Do you ever get confused about when to use have, has, or had? Don't worry, you are not alone. Let's break it down together. All these are forms of the verb and they are used to show the possession. We use have and has to talk about something that's happening now or regularly or in present tense. But how do we know which one to use? Have is used with plural subjects. It means whenever a subject is in plural form, we use have. जेव्हा सेंटेन्समध्ये सब्जेक्ट हा प्लुरल म्हणजे अनेकवचनीय असतो तेव्हा आपण हॅव वापरतो. म्हणजे जेव्हा कधी आपल्या वाक्यामध्ये सेंटेन्समध्ये आय, यू, वी अँड दे हे प्रोनाउन्स असतात तेव्हा आपण हॅवचा यूज करतो. एक्झाम्पल, आय हॅव अ डॉग. या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपला सब्जेक्ट आय हे प्रोनाउन आहे म्हणून तिथे हॅवचा यूज केला आहे. खालील प्रत्येक प्रोनाउन बरं त्याचं वाक्य कसं होईल ते बघूया. आय हॅव अ फ्लॅट इन पुणे. वी हॅव अ फ्लॅट इन पुणे. दे हॅव अ फ्लॅट इन पुणे. Has is always used with the singular subject. It means whenever subject in a sentence is singular, we use has and with pronouns like he, she, it. Example, she has a new phone. It has 4 legs. चला तर बघूया की प्रत्येक प्रोनाउनचं हॅज वापरल्यानं सेंटेन्स कसं बनेल. ही हॅज अ गुड मेमरी. शी हॅज अ गुड मेमरी. इट हॅज अ गुड मेमरी. नाव व्हॉट अबाउट हॅड? Had is used to talk about the past no matter who you are talking about. It's simple. I, you, he, she, they. Everyone uses had for the past. Example, we had a great time yesterday. He had a cold last week. चला बघू की प्रत्येक प्रोनाउन वापरून हॅडचा यूज केल्यानंतर वाक्य कसं बनेल. आय हॅड टू कम्प्लीट द टास्क. यू हॅड टू कम्प्लीट द टास्क. He had to complete the task. She had to complete the task. Let's have a quick recap. Use have with I, you, we, and they in present tense. Use has with he, she, and it. And use had when talking about the past for everyone. There you go. Now you are ready to use have, has, and had like a pro. Thanks for watching.